May mga sasakyan na pang-transport lang. At meron ding sasakyan na nagiging part ng lifestyle mo. At ngayon, may isang MPV na tahimik lang pero patuloy na nangingibabaw sa kalsada. Mas refined, mas comfortable, at mas swak sa pamilyang Pinoy. Introducing the 2026 Mitsubishi Xpander GLS Automatic.
From city drives hanggang long road trips, ang Xpander GLS Automatic ay patuloy na pinipili ng maraming pamilya dahil sa perfect balance ng space, comfort at practicality. At sa 2026 model, mas pinaganda pa ito para mas sumabay sa modern lifestyle. The 2026 Xpander GLS Automatic comes with a more refined and modern look. Kitang-kita mo agad yung upgraded dynamic shield front grille. Mas bold, mas premium ang dating. Sleek LED headlights, daytime running lights, and fog lamps. Sharper line sa body, two-tone alloy wheels, high ground clearance, perfect sa lubak at baha dito sa Pilipinas. Hindi lang siya pang city drive, kaya rin niyang sumabay sa kahit anong road condition. This is a 7-seater MPV, kaya swak na swak sa pamilya or barkada. Inside, you get premium fabric seats, spacious legroom kahit third row, flexible seating, pwede mong i-fold para sa extra cargo space. Modern dashboard layout na malinis at madaling gamitin. Plus, malamig ang aircon kahit punuan. Perfect sa long drives. It also equipped with touchscreen infotainment system, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, reverse camera, steering wheel controls. Kaya kahit nagdadrive ka, kontrol mo pa rin ang music, calls at navigation. Safe at convenient. This MPV runs on a 1.5-liter gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission. That means smooth driving experience, fuel efficient for daily use, hindi ka mabibitin sa power lalo na sa highway. Perfect balance siya ng performance at tipid, lalo na sa panahon ngayon. And some safety features of Xpander GLS Automatic are dual airbags, multi-around monitor, active stability and traction control, active yaw control, and hill start assist. So kahit paakyat, pababa o sa traffic, kampante ka sa bawat drive.
The 2026 Mitsubishi Xpander GLS Automatic proves that you don't need to spend millions para makuha ang style, comfort at functionality sa isang sasakyan. Sa bawat sakay mo, ramdam mo yung balance ng pagiging practical at pagiging premium. And once na maranasan mo siyang i-drive, mahirap na siyang palitan. Mahirap na siyang palitan. If you are interested, please message me at 0968-70-94944. That is my personal contact number as well as my Viber and WhatsApp. Once again, this is Janet Barcia from Mitsubishi Paco Otis, Manila, main branch. See you!